So I'm going to put this model outside to make sure that nature is giving it a weathering effect. Today I'm going to do a review about this Fendt tractor from Bburago. Why? Because the price quality is amazing. Where I bought it at Tom's. We'll put a link in the description from the video so you can find it. Okay, let's have a look at the package first. Ooh, it comes with 3 bonus wooden logs. And here you can see what is possible. Ooh, by the way, it's a Fendt 1050 Vario. Motorized with moving parts. Motorized? Is it a friction model? Okay, here we can also see what is possible. So I don't have the trailer. This is only the tractor. And here you can see some information of where it's coming from. Yeah, made in China, but it's transported to the Netherlands. Die-cast metal with plastic parts. I think it's a lot of plastic with a little bit of metal. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And we can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. Now let's open up this beauty. Yep, I love tractors. So we don't have to break the package. There we go. Looks good, right? Lots of details. Ah, I like this. There we go. It is out of the package. Yeah, it's a friction model. Whoa, whoa, shaway. I was not expecting that. Actually moving pretty realistic, I have to say. Yeah, the looks are very good. This is made out of metal here. This is made out of plastic, so I believe this is the only metal part. Yeah, this is also all made out of plastic. If you would buy premium model, this would be all metal. This here, yeah, all plastic. I'm surprised that it has a motor inside. I think that's pretty cool. But although it's a lot of plastic, I think the looks are fantastic. Also, the details in the interior are also okay. Protection. Is there a windscreen wiper? Don't think so, but we do have a side mirrors. And let's see if we can look in the interior. Yeah, he's focusing on the glass. This is quite good. You see the wheel is loose on the rim. Okay, let's see what we can do. So yes, we can slide this out, and it's not strong enough to hold a log, I think. So here I've got 3 logs. How does this work? Can we take it? No, cannot move it apart. Yeah, it's not a premium model, like I was saying, but the price quality is pretty good. Oh my god! Oh no! Come on! And this is not turning. This is, but yeah. Is there? Wait a minute. No. If this was a screw, I could make sure it was a little bit. Yeah, but that's not possible, unfortunately. Okay, it is what it is. But price quality, it is okay. But for this price, it should be a little bit tighter, so it was holding like this. That's better for a photo, but you still very cool model. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.